Experiencing intermittent freezes or your Rogers internet cutting out? You're not alone. Many users report these issues, especially during peak hours. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps, focusing on Wi-Fi problems, the role of Wi-Fi pods, and essential line checks. We'll cover the most common causes and fixes so you can get back online smoothly. Remember that while some users try integrating Xfinity pods, Rogers officially supports its own Ignite Wi-Fi gateway and extenders, which is the recommended approach. Let's dive into practical solutions. First, check your Wi-Fi signal strength. Weak signals below 70 dBm are a common culprit. Try moving closer to your router or using Rogers Ignite pods to extend your Wi-Fi range. If using pods, ensure they are Rogers approved to avoid warranty issues and security risks. Next, perform a line check. Inspect all coaxial cables and Ethernet connections for damage. Reboot your modem and router. A simple reset often resolves temporary glitches. Use the My Rogers app for remote diagnostics and speed tests to identify bottlenecks. If problems persist, contact Rogers support. Remember, according to experts, 90% of issues are resolvable at home, so start with these steps before contacting support.